Hey, welcome to the Cypher Benjamin Show, where we cover the latest news and updates in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. I'm your host, Cypher Benjamin, and this is episode 1 of our show. Let's get started. First, some exciting news from Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin. Ethereum is on track to become a $1 trillion cryptocurrency by 2024, according to some analysts. This is because Ethereum is attracting developers and users to its platform, which offers smart contracts, decentralized applications, and a transition to a more energy-efficient proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Ethereum is also leading the way for Web 3.0, a user-sovereign platform that relies on decentralized protocols, which blockchain can provide. Next, we have a breakthrough in blockchain technology from Mmai, a company that has invested $2 million in a patented smart auto mining technology called SAM. SAM is a revolutionary system that allows anyone to mine cryptocurrencies without any hardware or software requirements. SAM uses artificial intelligence and cloud computing to optimize mining efficiency and profitability. SAM is expected to launch in late 2023 and will power PureChain, a new blockchain platform that aims to create a metaverse of interconnected virtual worlds. Finally, we have some good news for USDT holders, as BitGet, a top crypto derivatives and copy trading platform, has become the first major exchange to support USDT on Kava blockchain. Kava is a cross-chain decentralized finance platform that offers lending, borrowing, stablecoins, and other DeFi services. By supporting USDT on Kava, BitGet will enable its users to access lower fees, faster transactions, and higher yields on their USDT deposits. That's all for today's episode of the Cypher Benjamin Show. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more crypto and blockchain news and updates. Thanks for watching and see you next time.